What's up, guys? I'm about to blow your minds with the craziest explorer stories ever. First up, Christopher Columbus. This guy literally sailed across the Atlantic and stumbled upon the Americas. Can you imagine thinking you're headed to India, and then bam, new continent? Next, we've got Marco Polo, the OG travel vlogger. This dude spent 24 years exploring Asia and the Silk Road. Last but not least in this chapter, we've got Ferdinand Magellan. This absolute mad lad decided to sail around the entire world. These guys were out there risking their lives, facing storms, disease, and the unknown, all without GPS or smartphones. They were the real MVPs of exploration. Alright, check this out. Let's talk about James Cook, the guy who basically put the Pacific on the map. This dude was like, hey, let's go find this massive continent everyone's talking about. And boom, he discovers Australia and New Zealand. Cook mapped so much of the Pacific it's like he was playing a real-life version of fill-in-the-blank Ocean Edition. Now, let me introduce you to the ultimate traveler, Ibn Battuta. This guy spent 30 years, yeah, you heard that right, 30 years traveling over 75,000 miles. He explored Africa, Asia, and the Middle East, all while writing about his adventures. These explorers were out there pushing the limits of what was possible, facing dangers we can't even imagine, all to satisfy their curiosity and expand our knowledge of the world. They're the reason we know so much about our planet today.